Okay.
Blogger. Una go tag this girl for this live video. This single mother win the press. If we love single mother, we love married women. But if one fuck up, yes, I'll beat that person. If me fuck up as a married woman, Mona see beat me. Yeah, now so life be. Una see this girl, Queen Love, blogger, make una tag Queen to this video. Queen, who look here?
Princess.
Take 10. If me and you saga apple for this live for this TikTok, you are going to regret yourself. I not be my material deal. We they beat every time. That one of your platform for you. Don't try it to me. Because you want everything about you to be right. You want me everybody they dance to your own tune. No fake by me. Why take be me at all? No why yak be me all the fever. For not to by me, it go enter fever. Go from fever, white coming to our back. Because the guy, I would say, oh, now, I wish my mother know your day, no get life. I wish my mother know your day, and no get life. Queen, who look here? All the time, you are betraying shit to me and my husband gifter. Hey, when you are your TikTok. Not be me say me you frustrate. You are a single mother by stupidity, single mother by frustration. Okay. Against some single mother we go their live video, you say, what it may want self? Where may go leave this kind of girl? This girl nice, rich. On your baby father behalf, on his behalf, I'm even praying that that man left you because a character will or be when who are queening. All scream life all the time. January, money tonight. I'll be asking myself again, which strength do you have? Mental health is real. You are doing it now, not me say go affect you tomorrow. 3 years time, you wait for the results. Wait for the repercussion. You don't have the right to be saga Aisha. And what Aisha bring come and say, Mona can't join. He not call your name, not call anybody name. It's not by force. We got who are life with you. If you frustrate for TikTok Queen, nobody frustrate.
Before you continue.
Nobody frustrate. A month, can you burst on 400 on TikTok? No.
Wait first. Queen Olari, the right of Panume, we are saga gifters, which right you get to the message my gifters to the tell they say, low on me.
How you giving water?
Low fellow Queen. Be very careful with me.
You are forced. You go put that person.
You have no right.
Because they saga us.
No, you have no right to call a message Asha. Now you look for free of Bugwa. And a free they buy you. Somebody say, may I can't join in affiliated business. Not be forced.
Not be forced.
Provided say, I bring the woman because I know say she's not fake. Anything the woman is doing, I know that I am here to defend anybody that comes to me tomorrow. Since I started this thing of affiliating business, I have never seen anyone come and complain to me that the woman shop their money. When they look for free things. What are the free things? As me just to do donation reach for this platform. How many of you don't ever carry the matter for like 3 days? What are they talking? The one they talk about in Minere. Queen, I remember vividly you this Queen Love. You know the one make your own matter they come and say, but you go one me go sit down for other people matter. Queen, take time. I don't want to get problem with you. Not me say you gave my secret. You are not even a friend. Now if they toss your cat, so I just give you cap and come up for there. Be very careful. You cannot come and be insulting my people. Not be forced. Not be forced that they do something. All the things I do here, I do it with my heart. If people can forget about what King Michi have done, who is Enogie, all the things I do here on this platform, I do it with God Almighty. Nothing they do because I know say most especially Nigerian people that they easily forget the good things good people do. I'm not doing it for people to praise me. I'm not doing it for. I am doing it because of God Almighty and the humanity to men. That's why I'm doing it. Queen, you have no right. Thank you so much. Okay, as nice go give me lion now. Now me get money for her. Not be saying love me, now make her give me lion.
No, you walk ahead.
Well, I look for free tea. When I sit down when I talk about him, when they're I shall get your can. because they say, my dad, what's your business with Aisha? Somebody when they give me lion, I can't see and say the person a very sincere person, not be fake, not be wayo. She they come with a real face, cause they talk say man, make they join a affiliating business. Person when they give me lion. No, I'm not supposed to see the support that person.
It's 50 years go for join. Now 50 years.
Who you going to 50 euro here?
Who you
When you know the shame. From morning to night, you know the life.
If another person did this kind of position.
Adam, you only wait. Me we don't still pass you well for social media. You get where I'll do and say I need rest.
Go see rest.
I'll go rest, come back. If you dey eat, why will live video? Analyze. Guy queen, if you know when I dey go where. You have a look here, tell open. No message walk by everywhere. Guy everywhere now we be. Queen you know where? When I go to look for 50 euro affiliated business for that side, not before this platform. It is not in this platform. A platform now. Oh, mama working. For social media, you be baby. You are a baby.
Very useless girl. I never see who useless.
I don't want to put picture. You want to put picture where you're.
Very useless girl.
You have no right. If not, I go decide the people in the entire world. As I be doing. Anybody that wants to gift me, please shut up your mouth and quiet.
You not concerned.
All the Google things what they do for year. You know they go viral. If mama know that talk, wait till I don't like. When I carry a go.
Mama know that. If be problem, no, I not be problem to my husband before. My call let you know the see.
Because we know the quarrel.
Because say not they talk. Me go talk Don't try me
No, because we know the quarrel come out again.
You must not like me Not be me born you.
You not understand me and my wife again.
You must not like me. Not be me born you.
Now every 3 months, me and my wife say the quarrel they come outside.
No,
so now we not understand.
No, would they pretend?
We not understand how we tell they do our thing again.
Level don't change.
We not understand. So now you people, Queen wants to know about people. You don't want people to know about
you. Azolo wala zaki biye weke ya. Azolo la ziye mo metiri.
I don't say people know you. People know the cap when you dey. We love women want to recap you that year. Your own baby father. Have you ever posted it?
You are so frustrated. Who frustrated? All the time why Saga is
have you ever posted it?
Saga our gift. Who are going to kuya? Our bear you are queenie. Me come opportunity. Why Saga a gift? I'm out dear you.
Are you mad?
Dear you. Who look here queenie?
Come and pet in your jet.
Who look here queenie?
Go.
Who my people shall let you walk fit my go. Yeah, what dear? Man, will life tell you what dear? And you can't remember material gui. And so la we are queenie. And so la we are queenie. And for very well queenie. And for very well.
Mommy, wait. Good afternoon. One of my students just they share me this live video. Say that they saga me. Epa, mommy, wait. Wait, I beg.
You are too fond of doing that.
Wait. No stress yourself. Not be everybody. Not be everything person they use chat for social media. Epa, I beg, wait.
Asha, it's getting too much.
Epa, you wait, Epa. If they say anything wrong about my academy, Epa, if they say anything wrong about my academy, I'll serve them court paper. I know they lie. I know they joke. No be. See, I dey talk and as I did for this live video now. If they say anything,
Mama,
okay, sir.
Prettiest Annabelle, you say it was too wrong to be one sided. Then on your live video, carry cutlass, give Mama Titi, may go buy Mama Titi for us.
Exactly.
Not on this platform. Because nobody built this platform for me. 10 years, now I do that day, February 17th. I'm not a baby on social media. When they support Mama Titi for the nonsense what she go do for person party, we not consider person where do party. When I give her knife, when I give her cutlass, when I give her gun, may go take Mama Titi dinner. She don't know where they stay for Germany.
Epa, waiting me want talk we say, because they're going to watch this video now. If anybody say anything against my academy, now 2 way now me they fight person, make they hear and clearly. Now me Aisha they talk. if I no carry you go court case, that one and one, if my mind want use government beat you. You see this academy, I build down with my sweat, everything. If I beg God for you, now only God now go fit save you.
Asha is not fake.
I am every day. I go get $500 for your head.
So if I don't just follow them, no they follow me. If I don't see any video where they do, I go decide what their life want for them. If that lucky nice is so, make I tell you one thing. Lucky nice, make na body they pepper and I jealousy na the warrior. He don't first talk to me. What did they call him? Epa Osas don't help me first call him before. I can't say okay, but because he's not intelligent, make I put him that way. He not reach back to me, and I leave him. He say one day affiliate for me. So I was so shocked now. Say he dey saga me. I not talk to me anybody saga me oh. May no saga me oh. If you saga me, I don't do social media talk blah 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 blah. I go give you court case because you are talking down on my academy and there is penalty for it. Now one be that one. If I not use court case, do you? I not go carry your name, go babalawo. I go talk what go happen to you to earth. If it not happen to you, call me bastard. I not go follow you too much. You want to spoil the work of my hand, me go spoil you. Now so it reach.
Without no evidence or proof, nobody don't come and say, I register order Asha shopping money, Asha not teach her. Nobody. All of you are being so jealous. When they look for cheaper tickle things, they go. When I go look for 50-year-old now. Asha said, I want is 300. She did not force anybody here to say, you must do it. If you not do it, go bring juju paper for you. Did Asha come here yesterday to force anybody? No. The people where want do the thing, some of them when never get the money, they save the money for grand. Because the good woman still they help her husband with one way or the other. When they look for
jealousy, they worry them. Now because I no go meet them, now they worry them. I say Lucky Nice, me and Lucky Nice don't fair talk before. Now because I no consent die again, now I make jealousy they worry her. And if he talk anyhow, me go give a court case. I know they do social media talk. Now one you go take inside. So no be by force. I not force anybody to buy academy. Now my business, I bring her come. If you are interested, you enroll. Now so it reach.
It's choice. Aisha, it's okay. You can go. It's
Aisha,
okay.
come down.
No problem.
Okay, Aisha, come down. Aisha, come down. Don't do.
It's okay.
Okay, Queen. I know the Mutia. Queenie. He made they to see bam. They to see but maybe when you talk, you don't know when you talk again. You easily they forget you talk. You don't have that right, ma say, to people your platform, talking about our gifter, praise another never did the quarter. I repeat again, there are some single mother you will see through their character. You will be able to judge that man. How this man gonna leave this kind of woman? Men not know anything. I need that every day. They tell that man will leave you because we're sent as CIA. If another person the whole platform, money tonight, who we are they do analyze it. The other one say, Queen Bliss, one use us grow a platform. She have to use what she get to get what he wants. She is a very smart woman. She is our gifter. She has every right to say we should come and support her. She don't want grow her his best for free. She they use what he want, take get what he get. I be right saying any boy.
Okay, wait.
What he get, take get what he want.
See the way they jealous so.
And what talk?
Wait again, wait.
On the Mutia, this people they also. And this idiot want talk. This idiot, Vicky na he. Vicky Abi. On the Mutia get what he want for Vicky Abi. Okay, you Vicky. You see I want. Maybe they call me mommy, not be me boy, my not be me boy you. The mommy, my mother, even my own mother is calling me Mama. My own mother is calling me mommy. Vicky, if I hear my name for your platform again, the reason why I no platform for you, you too small. Are you even come out of Huawei making? No, wait. Not be me bonjour. If I hear my name for your platform again, Vicky, I go drag your mekos. Wait, I'm not going to drag you. I'm going to drag your mekos. Queen, who look here? Let us death be first and last. Who boy picture that you want Saga mount of you with indirect. Who look here, Queenie? Me one you about me at the kilometer. Oh, kilometer. Colo. Like me happy. Kilometer is my nickname. Queen. Who get maybe who get? If I hear that you gather people, they analyze our gift again. Queen, we ya back on you, ya see a funny kitten of bole. Enough is enough. As son when letting my mutility Gwenny, as son of your allow a bell like you are a back Queenie. Wow, who go even done it back Queenie?
Or you go
look for something to do.
You know why I don't like
what? Take off your mental head.
Wait, lower your voice.
Frustration woman.
Can I be sincere to you today? I don't like you. You know why? You know why? You sabi talk people matter. But in your case, you go higher down. Till today, you have never for once bring your own issue, make cut the advice people. That one on one side. Now, I am the only Edo presenter. I still be Edo presenter. Forget say I don't beat. I am proud to be from Edo State. I am proud.
I didn't see money for my affiliate business. I make money.
We say go into affiliate business.
I make money.
Register. I want to ask one question. Have I ever bring anybody to you people? At the end, that person come before one day.
Can I apply for you every day?
A yes or no, please.
I got that very well, Queenie.
Have I ever bring somebody? I go introduce you now to the business. Or when they do business for people, they'll say, but they said, hey, I can't introduce you now finish. The person can't play now for one night. And not coffee here to affect the fact. I shall not just because she be my gifter, not be make me the support and she's transparent. She will tell you the way it is. I am the only Edo presenter where they help people for my platform. It's not easy to gather people for platform help. Not be to do church or chore. Not be to they talk. This afternoon here, we help a mother with special child. 2.5 million naira. This afternoon. March, we don't start to the help again. March 2nd. Not be the one we do for January, not be the one we do for February. Today again, now we helped somebody. The way when I tell they talk about me, I must talk everything that you people like. Oh, I shall suffer press their neck. They can't this lion. Oh. I shall suffer press their neck. Now so more please they send me lion. He want use me beauty page. She's a smart girl. She better pass one more girl will come at that and say, I love Enogie. I love Enogie. Enogie, I wish she can be in my arms. I mean, if not remember that again. She better pass that one. Because she know what she wants. She knows that if she give me lion, I go notice her. Yeah. And really notice her. And I definitely go support her. It's not free. Promotion is not free.
Exactly. She will do a thing.
She want use me beauty page. She didn't give me lion.
Get what you want.
So why are people crying? If it's easy, may they give you a lion, may they use on a beauty page now. All you people do is to come together and I know you like that on 3D. Wanna go buy them. Now very simple thing. Since we're not guessing, say Europe. See Hush Puppy now. As Hush Puppy get money rich, enough he come out himself for prison for Europe. He still there prison for that. The time we government say want to come out. You don't know Europe law. You don't know Europe law. No, you don't know what it means for you to fight. Since yesterday, no woman has ever speak the truth apart from few people. No woman has ever said, Mama Titi, you are wrong. Because me, I did consider the people who do party. Because if not be that party, Mama Titi and Mama Titi would have meet together. If I tell Mama Titi say she's wrong, does that mean that I hate her? No. How can you walk up to someone and say I want to beat you for Europe? How? Like you don't beat person. You are a married woman to another man entirely. Your ex-husband, a wife, you send for party, you hold on. I'm blessed. You say you want fatan. If you're not dead that day, now you fatan. Very wrong. Very, you know, guy, you want to tell me. If I wish that Momitiri did do that thing, I know the one that forgot to drag Momitiri this is yesterday. People are using sentiment. Momitiri did they talk about single mothers. Me know they support single mothers.
Now what I thought since
Me know they support single mother. To the extent that they give single mothers, they give me. Then make me they support them. Is Aisha a single mother? No.
Omobli a single mother.
Is Omobli a single mother? No. I supported single mothers because the bully on them was too much. That is why I supported them. Not be say maybe again one particular thing where they can't, they give me or they give me.
So why they invite both? They have right to invite both. Don't want to do marriage, we invite both.
Person if invite a person when making no say those two people they quarrel. If they happen like that, okay, when you say they can't invite the both of them, you can't sit down, say okay, as you see him, you leave him. Now person party na come. We got to respect the people party. Now because the police don't call that party, that's when they look like that. I hold microphone. They separate fight. My videos are being posted on internet where people they clap. Hey, if you beat her, if you beat her, if you leave her.
You know feel long.
But when they talk say,
you know feel long.
If when they talk say, if you beat her, if una come out for party, fear let una laugh. Yes, I was laughing. Of course, I have to laugh. I have to smile. But was I really happy? No. I don't feel use anger to separate fight. You go play outside the drum one. I don't have the sense where you not get. You would rather to say, I was laughing. I need to laugh. I need to smile for them to stop. Because if for pass, be careful. Not be the one that they see this thing. So don't be sure for be. If you don't put Momitiri for problem finish, I call the looker. Because police don't go yes say na so it's snatch person husband. When blood don't already dey ground, party go close. Millions of naira wey they do party go waste because of one particular thing. See, I wish Mama Titi never married now. Since it's all those why she has not married, I go dey yes okay. She has not married. She never married, right? Okay. Since that time, I go no say okay. See what she dey fight for. Not be say the woman don't marry that man. What are you fighting for? When the government are there, what are you fighting for? Now because now you not get party, I know they do party thing. In a Momitiri, they just to go meet Momitiri say one fatan. I go call you, I go tell Momitiri say, madam, what you do is wrong. If you like not respect me, if you like not call me a pa. Not matter you not get wife. That's why they fight for your children day. For inside our house, not before party.
Only for party. My children say small, they don't forget the memory.
For inside our house. Now that one they pay on us say, we don't understand me and my wife again. Because before, now every 3 months, but now, we don't understand how they go again. You and my wife for fight. You not spoil anybody party.
Now my husband.
Now us, now we for fight. That is it. You not go ever do party, me you expect me they come spoil your party. So me when they talk say I stand with single mothers, I stand me they waste my time. That is what you people are trying to tell me now. That all the time when you stand for single mothers, now just waste because it can't be I say the one with Momitiri did they tell they insult now value pass me with they support now. Because I can see that the reason why a lot of you are hated is because of single mother. If you they talk to her for that side, me they stand by her for this side. Is it not the same thing? Me say I stand by single mother. She said she don't like single mother. Hey, Ipa, you are biased. Let me be biased. But thank God I was able to save a party that wanted to be destroyed by a woman who not even married the man again. Thank God that I was sent. Because if not, that woman for push Momitiri D to the wall and Momitiri D for retaliate and would have been a big problem. Because person will slap person or slap back. Even say Momitiri D know you can't get power for this life. You know if you slap her, she not slap you back. That you and your people call it bitter. on a call it fatter. For people to be saying, bros, you don't get child for not allowing that fat to hold. As I be so, I feel see my enemy for party me, they look you. But not come for me, on a dear problem with it. I feel see for party like this, make I look up. I feel they verse for you. Yes, you can verse. I get right, I be human being. But say maybe you come here meet you say, come here for Percy party. For Percy party, where you use how many thousands of arrow they do. Then me you go say, make the party just spoil.
One say, if na me no get no feel me, now you can't judge say my man I not get respect. Now this is not to knock. Point for the young for money.
I never see any woman for this life.
I'm mad another man gonna fight my husband.
Hold on. I never see. I never see. You will talk to Carol White so. Myself block you come for here.
What have you done to my makeup? What is this? Why
you
can't
talk so you are blocked? I'm not already blocked you. You know that. Roger Stone, your papa. Go Beluwa. You move ahead. When I hear they get out, when I hear they have my baba come here, they block now. Away, Akbaba Bobo. I go help people for you, and I go blind. Now let few people go say, because they no get help person today, or make they still post for their war. If I not come talk well, it will come become topic. They take one side. Me. I should be ready for criticism. If you want to criticize me, don't criticize me on my platform. Go and criticize me in your platform. Not here. I will not take it. Except say I'm not seeing. Now my man not go spoil no get platform. So for the man, now look me like platform will go spoil. You know when I don't in existence. For over 10 years, the people who got that start, they know they hear of a lot of them today. But me, I get a lot of things where they do. I not be best way they do on one topic. I not be man we go your one topic. Fans will come tired for the topic. And they swing on. If I do this topic for 3-4 days and wait on another topic, it go be sweet. I they do foundation. I they do give away. People they come here, they pour out their pains. You think they pain now. I will they do donation for people. I'm not going to record and go post. If me and people they play game, now single cut where they for insult me. Now go cut where me for insult they come out. I go post down just for view. As I don't message you no get rich. All of you now put together. Now see them one particular place now not grow. Me when I say not good, when I still use my platform, they help people. If people judge me today that you know get a bad person, at least few people go see come and say, you know how many people I don't put smile for their face through my platform. You know how many where I don't put smile for their face through my platform. Now what I put to kick me, I tell you say, if you like cut your head for people, nobody will appreciate you. Me where you help people, so make I do something tomorrow where it be say not good. Me you see the way people take past me. Don't forget the help I don't help people. They will forget the help when I don't help people. Me, I will never please anyone in my life. If you love me as a person, stay. If you don't love me, go. If you don't love me, go. Because human beings, they forget the things that they do for them. And the ones who you not talk well, that they keep. You will they watch me. So will you allow people to come and fight and spoil your party? Is a question. Will you allow people to fight and spoil your party because of their own interest to their own interest to like you don't know how they take quarrel. Don't you know that it was even a very big risk for me? Matter we don't know as it happen. I don't know what that woman put for bag. I don't know what they happen. I call it separate fight. You know how many people don't separate fight? At the end of the day, they use head to talk on. Now, person when they separate fight, then they'll come back. You never seen them before. No woman for this life. Now they talk say, if I mean no get no feel me. No woman will no feel for this life. If they look me say I small for camera, I be tall man. When I pin on me titi, you know feel shake now. Now me or you say you want, you know fit. I say I don't want to separate that fight. My own fellow myself, just say maybe you go. You wait to say you be grateful element. Move ahead, your father. VDM as he get criticism, he still on top. Move ahead sharply. Your father.
So the other one. Now my mom not be no get problem. Ezeka na be to my husband. Go and ask. Go and ask your family member for Ezeka.
The same my wife.
Ezeka because I don't feel kill me.
The same my wife. Where they stand by admitted they help people. Then was spoiled. Then was spoiled the platform.
No get problem. You go spoil platform. You go spoil your husband generation.
Enogie just the block people.
I know her before you come like this.
Because of
I know her before you reach like this. You don't know me, so
yes.
You don't know me before you come.
I go block all of you now because you cannot tell me what to do on my platform.
Ezeka na be to Ezeka.
I repeat it again.
River not the dry.
If you read that and say, I stand with Mommy Titi, I go block
your
you.
Grandmother, Ezeka, River not the dry.
May go stand with Mommy Titi for the other side. Since you cannot tell that what she did was wrong, I go block you come up from my platform. Not be beans. What is right is right, what is wrong is wrong.
Nine. I'm
so,
go.
Please. Mona Sophie, leave me. Mona Sophie, leave me.
Another topic. Queenie.
They say my wife. Well, I say not good. Now she dey help me dey look children if they do donation for people.
They go party.
But now when he can't talk, say what the person not do not good, and now he go spread that platform.
If I good, if I not good, you can't give her your mama.
No.
You can't give her your mama.
If the party spoil, thank you. Who read that thing? If the party spoil, go pay.
You can't give her your mama.
Don't talk, say I beg. Do not allow anybody, Mommy Titi, to push you into problem when you be safe for this Europe. So you don't take for a giant. You are not a baby. If they push you for problem, they will leave you put. Only you will face the charges. As you can't slap on daddy now, you don't know waiting there and everything they do something. She fall, she faint. That's the end of Solomon Granny. What do you want to talk? Oh, you can't tell police. You can't speak Dutch to police. You can't speak Dutch to police. They talk say, ich bin act here in Deutschland. You can't explain when you take on Deutschland. I take snap. You can't explain that one for police station. You don't know people. The same people when they clap for you now, and they go talk and say, she they say this woman don't marry. You don't say for party, you go kill her, God forbid. They go back. You know why not you take the play Mommy Titi. And as for you, Mommy Titi, you have to be very careful. The hatred. I don't know why you take gather that hatred. I don't know why you take if you can't get that kind of hatred. Your hatred, if you convert it to money, you are that go to an arrangement for money, Mommy Titi.
Oh God, so yeah.
I swear to God, if Mommy Titi convert hatred, people will hate her to money. You are that go to na age mate for money. You where they go party Mommy Titi. I just give this brotherly advice. So be careful. If you not go with your squad, stay ass. Because me, I'm mad.
I tell her say
me. I know they go party. Mommy Titi, how far you don't see my guys for that day. I know the only one if you go party. Even if say I'm Monique, I must put calls. You not give one come down for your city. You wanna deal with me. Not be say I fear anything, but anything can happen. You go be like, you think say you want to go peace. You don't know. You think say you want to go peace. Person if you pour your ass there, may meow, may not say I give me camera and not cash out. Automatically you are disfigured for life. Don't pour your acid on wrong. You don't see camera. You don't see people pour your acid. You are finished.
You are for acid for Europe, day.
Police go come give you paper. At that time, when you take when you take one party, you call that 40 over. Before police go see you pour your acid there, if you reach 30 years to come. And even if they come finally see her, they're not going to buy the person. They're going to act up and carry and go court. If the person get better lawyer, go leave her. If the person lawyer not tired, they'll say they go prison. Highest 10 years. But you see your face, it has been disfigured for life. Mommy 3D, you two they lose guard. Before that woman come follow you reach her side, you not know. I forget to tell you yesterday. You need to be observant. Now you do, now something I might be. They go buy you away because your hatred is too much. Not blame on the TT. People they plan you. I have to tell you so. People you know how they talk. They say they run from my back. Me and you know go they go party all the time.
Those people where they plan now. They'll wait now.
Me and you not go feel they go party all the time, oh. Not be the party where you go, I go, they go. Oh. But for that simple reason, your haters is too much. If you want to go party, just the way you do it for my birthday, you come with your friend. It's your free day. If you be 3 or 4, it go there hard for them to assess you. Because your friends don't go your phone down, they look them. Not be that way you do that, it was a very narrow escape for you. I said, tell you when they come. I said that is so that it was all a setup game for that. For now, picking go for slap you. Not be she. No. If a picking slap you, you go slap the picking back. He go hold you. Camera day now, go say you slap the picking. From there, the con they go court. How you want him win 18 years old picking? The mama go use her take wage, go use her take wage jam. Yeah, wage you never see problem. I have to tell you very true, man. No. Man, you never even complete 18 finish. She's 17 and a half. She's 17 and a half. Me, I don't dey match my God for years. That's why you see say me, if I go party, they come back to the house. No level, nobody fit do me anything. Because me, they match my God on the no. But I can still get my guys beside me. And everywhere, you say they go Nigeria, call, put calls, alpha. Because you know they do media. You don't need to insult person before person go the verse for you. Not be lying when they throw the give me. Not be make people the crazies. Not be make with the masses.
Not be
make with the tag. You are everybody of Boga Yere. Because of waka where you waka, people feel they jealous you. Because of anything you do in life, people feel they. You know, see God for that call yesterday say, in way the Nigeria, the mighty God. In way the Nigeria, Nigeria where you know how Nigeria get. Godfather.
I beg. When meeting one made they call me mommy. They talk for quick. Say me one made they call me mommy. Man, when meeting one,
so I beg.
Mommy. Now me born there.
If you the party where you go, mommy, 3 day. If you not get friend, we go follow you go. Tell the person say me send the account come me 200 euro put. Stay ass. Say ass though, because this is the first attempt to disgrace you by beating you, video you, post for Facebook, for TikTok, nothing more. And you never finish. Because a lot of people they will say, we not even fit talk, we not fit call me. Why I no go come dey this kind of place?
For you win what it not concern there?
It ain't pain there. They will not reinforce. They'll come. I tell you, they'll go reinforce again. And I want to message Mommy Tiri the husband and Mommy Titi husband. The two of them, I get this message. My blog has called this particular part. First is to Mommy Titi husband. Mommy Titi husband, please, sir. With all due respect, tell your wife to let the sleeping dog lie. You don't put money for her head, she's not your wife. I beg. Epa, I know you will be watching me right now. Tell your wife to stay back. Tell your wife to stay back. If it's truly your wife, tell your wife to forget about this issue. Papa will not want to find Peking, or Peking will not want to find Papa. Now nature, now go decide down for front. Not what they use strength to do. I beg, Mommy Titi husband, tell your wife to forget about the issue. Mommy Titi the husband, please still talk to your wife directly, indirectly. I know say there be women that one not go fear ever stop, but please, mat your guard, mat your wife guard. Because this matter you are seeing here is not ending soon. If they can fight in a party, if there be one fight for party before, then imagine say maybe person go Nigeria. That is a very risky journey. So Mommy Tiri, they be very careful. Anywhere they go, be careful. Mommy Tiri, the husband, talk to your wife too. Directly or indirectly to Mommy Titi should stop. Talk to these people. You will say me your papa go sleep. You are blocked. Instantly. That's what you'll be. You cannot expect me to be like you or say what you want. Now only my fans I want me to watch me. I don't need bad belly people for a year. If you bad belly people, you move ahead. Because if you do donation, we not they see you, may God punish you. Move ahead, go. Get out of here. Because as I shout, you say, I stand by single mothers. We will not look my face now on arrest for the matter. Now if you are biased, now you talk. We not gonna forget say I support you now. Nobody's above blocking. Short blocking at any given time. So I use God to beg you. And for those of now we want beat my material day, I pray may God let that request come to pass. I pray make devil push now one day. When I see the woman, when I fight her. I just pray. Then when I come to say Europe law and Nigeria from the come a different ball game. Even for the Nigeria, I get person you touch, they go arrest you. Provided you get money. For Nigeria, I get person you fight with, they go arrest you. Those of Europe will be saying, he favor the poor, he favor the rich. And God will bless Europe. A partner two fighting. Now when you go know say not be two fighting, now when blood come out or they disfigure your face or they can't knock you for we're not good. And then you go know say that two fighting when you talk. Now batting. But I don't want to witness it. I don't want to be a part of it at all. Thank God I was able to separate that fight in order for that fight not to happen. I am happy because I know what it fight mean. That's why I mean they use how they advance people. When I did much more younger for this journey, I don't feel fight then for my camp when I did. I tell now the story here. Even though my daughter, the very day when I bought my picking, and that they're supposed to go prison. From 2019, no, sorry. I fight with that guy 2018. The thing called is 2022.
You want to go to the second prison? I can't born twins.
I want to go to the second prison before they come discharge and acquit that case. What happened in 2018 March? It can finish for November 22, 2022. Because I get children, they can't consider me, my lawyer can't write them. I want to live to the children. Oh my God, they pay.
They won't give me a person, I no agree. They will give me a person, I no agree.
So, on way the fact, una not know what they call Europe. Make una the fact. If una don't see what they look for fact, me Enogie, I will never help anybody. If you like when they deport you, I don't say na fact with fact. I will, because I know what the fact mean. That time I saw me be. Well, they tell me that you're no fair to at the phone.
No, this one women. Same person when you say one beat you. If you see her, you need to go meet her and I mean, now we will so what?
No fair again.
School not discount.
That's why they do that time.
School not discount.
People, all of us look at they camp. They know me. All of us look at they camp. So when they go to watch this program, I was so rude in my camp. I was so rude. That they felt trouble when you are. Before I come finally enter media, I was so rude. Oh, you're fat. You're what now? Any spot I don't push it. Any spot I don't push it. But when the tea come, I can't sit down and using my life. So now this still be this. So that's all that be. Now can't go the fair. Hey, no people they talk say make go the fair for party so.
You say you go school. I guess if pass your family when you go to school, go university. I not go school. I get God wisdom, but you not get book or get wisdom. Oh, now cause you very well. You when you go school, you not get said that you they plan to say if you see place for party, you will go block and me we not go. I know if you go block place for party, me not go. So we say I want go block and first me and you can't go school pass. Because you very well. We anyhow my husband analyze the matter, it no concern you. Now your opinion is talk. You still talk your opinion. You may analyze them and then the way they could yet get knock out girl or give her. La wo wo. If people are doing life, you don't monitor in night. You will talk down. Come up party when we they don't say she they go party or she they go party or. Are you not tired? The single person for that matter, what back okay more? Who may rest? Where you are judge of one, let's say, who look here, queen, who look here.
But don't you talk
Who
about
not vie, when you don't know your but when me I don't after you are 40 something, I'm just 30s. You are boja ya where damn or when say I see people who go see climb my platform, go see cost your life go to. Who about go ask live and so they cost and they make money for your head. You are making go a month and they receive money. It's so I know they create for free.
He said that time, he said they cost me.
I know they
He said me will come and say I call the react. You will not fit take saga. If they message you want call the
I know they create for
you
free.
want call analyze.
And they see my change inside. You never for free. What for free?
You go want call analyze.
Not. Worry issue where Usaga and the message and again like wow, you talk too much. You do this too much.
Sabi. If he easy now, I'm gonna use my platform to help people. If he easy. If he easy, why your platform why we you born no man? Not because they do cho. If he easy. If he easy.
Then they want to screen record they go ijaji.
If you not both, they use na real account they comment. Now they add other comment session. If not for the responsible single mothers, I for make one VAT today say I not the support single mothers again. If not for the responsible ones, because this thing when I do so, it make me sure say we not value my fight for now. But I know feel because of the responsible ones. Make I cut us I not stand by single mother. I foresee talk for yourself from today. I no longer stand by. Yeah, not be my matter fete talker. Even the time we man stand, but I cannot say it because of the responsible ones who they follow. All right, my people. First and foremost, I want to say a very big thanks to every one of you. So now, my people, let's continue with our normal topic. What they do? Please, guys, power tap and share the live stream. The truth of the matter is that you cannot bring Enogie down. I don't already get the spirit of humanitarian. You people cannot bring me down. Not because they do church. Mona help people now. Mona help. Go help it, yeah. Mona help. Go help it, yeah. Mona help. We not help one woman this afternoon. You know how many people I don't impact? Do you know how many people have put smiles on their face? That I pray for me and my lovers, my real lovers, so not be the one who go say if I love you, whereas for back, the way they do another thing. The real lovers, where they donate for this platform, now God will bless all of you now. Not because they do church. Come and help people. It's not about church. Please, guys, power tap and share the live stream. Have a nice be this one.
Hold on. I don't know who is this person that is imitating me. Somebody is imitating me. Hold on.
Don't show me I'm on my life. Hey, is that not Enogie?
Why are you calling yourself barrister?
Oh.